Life in the heart of an empire. A world of wonders. Imagine walking through a bustling market. The sun shines bright overhead. You hear voices of merchants calling out, selling spices and fruits. The air is filled with delicious smells of baking bread and roasting meats. This is everyday life in the Roman Empire, a place of excitement and energy. Life in the Roman Empire is full of surprises and stories. The empire was vast, stretching across Europe, North Africa, and parts of Asia. People from many cultures lived here, and each day was an adventure. Homes and families. In Rome, people lived in many types of homes. Wealthy families had large houses called domus, with beautiful gardens and rooms for dining and relaxing. They decorated their walls with colorful paintings and had lovely furniture. On the other hand, poorer families lived in apartments called insulae. These buildings were tall and sometimes crowded. They had small rooms, often with just a bed and a table. Families shared basic necessities, but they made the best of their situation. Daily routines. Life started early in the Roman Empire. Most people woke up at dawn. The first task was often to clean and prepare food. Farmers worked in fields, cultivating crops like wheat, olives, and grapes. For them, the seasons guided their lives. In towns, people went to work in various ways. Artisans made goods like pottery, clothes, and tools. Shops opened early, and customers would come to buy what they needed. Business was lively. Food and drink. Food was an important part of Roman life. The rich enjoyed large meals with many courses, including fresh fruits, fish, and meats. They sometimes had strange dishes, like stuffed dormice. They washed it all down with wine, which was a popular drink. The poorer classes ate simpler meals. Bread, vegetables, and beans made up most of their diet. They also drank a mixture called posca, made from water and vinegar. This was a way to keep hydrated. Entertainment and leisure. After long days of work, Romans loved to enjoy themselves. They went to the baths to relax. Public baths were places to wash, socialize, and have fun. People would talk about news, make friends, or even play games. Another popular form of entertainment was the games. In the Colosseum, brave gladiators fought each other. Crowds cheered loudly, filled with excitement. But did you know that not all gladiators were slaves? Many were free men seeking fame and fortune. Education and knowledge. Education was important for the Romans, especially for wealthy families. Boys often learned Greek and Latin, along with math and philosophy. They studied in schools led by tutors or took part in discussions in public places. Girls in wealthy families received some education too, but their focus was much different. They learned skills to manage a house, such as cooking and sewing. Many girls did not attend school as boys did. Religious practices. The Romans were very religious. They believed in many gods and goddesses. Each family had its own small shrine to care for and pay respect. They held festivals to celebrate their deities. As the empire grew, new beliefs came too. Christianity started to spread, and many people began to change their views. This was a time of tension, as old Roman beliefs met new ideas. Surprising secrets. Many think that the Roman Empire was ruled only by a few powerful men, but in reality women played important roles too. Powerful women such as Livia and Agrippina shaped policies and influenced decisions behind the scenes. They were more than just wives and mothers. This hidden power of women shows that the history we know is sometimes just a part of the story. There is always more to learn and discover. What remains today? Today, many parts of Roman daily life influence us. Our languages, laws, and customs often trace back to this great empire. Roads built by Romans still exist and connect cities. The ruins of Roman buildings like the Forum and the Colosseum tell stories of the past. These sites remind us of their powerful influence on the world. As we think about daily life in the Roman Empire, we see a fascinating mixture of cultures, traditions, and the rise and fall of power. There is a lesson here about how life can change and adapt through the years. Share your thoughts. What part of life in the Roman Empire interests you the most? Is it the food, the games, or the homes? Share your thoughts. Bossy.